Hi, this is Alex at Lander Properties. How can I help you?
Hey, quick question. Do you have any two-bedroom units available?
Yes, we do. We have a beautiful sunrise-facing two-bedroom available now, with in-unit laundry and parking. Are you looking to move soon?
Maybe. What's the rent?
It starts at $2,450. I've just texted you a few photos and the floor plan. Can I help you schedule a tour?
I'm just browsing. I don't want to book anything right now.
No problem at all. Would it be okay if I followed up later to see if you'd like to schedule a tour?
Yeah, that's fine.
Great. I'll check back at a better time.
Here's what just happened. That chat just created a warm lead in the Frontdesk CRM. Unlike traditional CRMs, the Frontdesk CRM is built for AI, not humans. So it's populated on its own. The name, the intent, the unit interest, everything. Also, a call log was generated, a summary score, and a recording. Now this lead gets enrolled in a warm nurture sequence also built in Frontdesk. The sequence says to wait 1 day, then send an email, and then text for permission for a call. Let's fast forward to that phone call. Hello?
Hi, Jess. This is Alex from Lander Properties. Is now a good time to help you book a tour for the two-bedroom you asked about earlier?
Yes, I can talk now.
Perfect. I have availability tomorrow at 11 a.m. or Thursday at 3 p.m. What works for you?
Tomorrow at 11.
You're all set. I've booked your tour and sent the calendar invite.
Perfect, thank you. That call booked the Frontdesk calendar all on its own. Now your leasing team is notified of their new tour and can read the ticket that was automatically created for them. Notice how the AI wrote down the scheduled tour time in the Frontdesk CRM? That triggers a text that will automatically send with the rental application. Fast forward after the tour, Frontdesk sends a message with the rental application form powered by Frontdesk Forms. Personalized, tracked, and all logged into the CRM. If the lead fills this out, it'll automatically create a Frontdesk ticket and then update the Frontdesk CRM. But let's say they don't fill it out. They forget. Later that night, they visit the website again. The Frontdesk chatbot has full context on the customer and is able to help them complete their journey. What makes Frontdesk different is that it doesn't just manage the work. It actually does the work for you. Frontdesk responds, books, and calls back across chat, phone, and email, all on its own. No tasks to remember, no leads to chase. Frontdesk gives you an AI workforce to run all of your customer operations on autopilot. Hello.
Hi, Jess. Just calling to see how move-in was last week for you.
What makes Frontdesk different is that it doesn't just store information, it actually takes action. What makes Frontdesk different